A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Now
O.
do the cross.
Good, Gabriel.
Good, now erase it. No way. Do the B.
B? Okay.
Not bad for a first time.
Do the C. Where's the C? There. Great. You've already done good C. So.
I can
Do the D. Good. Okay, now turn to the next page and do the E.
How did I go down?
Okay.
What letter is that?
Do the E. It's Daddy's letter.
Oh, you did Daddy's letter. What's Daddy's letter, Gabriel?
Okay.
That was the J, Gabriel.
Try the E. The E.
Okay, E. You like me?
Very nice, Gabriel.
Now do the G.
Awesome.